What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Khalil back to you with another VIDA tutorial. So let's say you're at the drag strip, or you're at the racetrack, or you're just doing street racing, and you want to cool. And it's a hot day like today. I'm not racing, by the way. I'm just on break at work, messing with VIDA. You pop your hood open. You want to cool your engine down. This is not going to be enough on a hot day. So what you do is, if you have VIDA, obviously you need VIDA to do this, or to do any of these stuff, tutorials. You go to Vehicle Communications. My car is a 2006, a 60R, by the way, with, Geartronic, 6-speed. So what you do is you go to Engine Control Module. After you click Vehicle Communications, ECM, right there. You can see my mouse cursor. There we go. Okay, so you click on ECM, you go to Parameters. Zoom in a bit. You go to Parameters, you press the plus button, increase the exposure a bit. There we go. You press the plus button. Oh, sorry, you don't go to Parameters, you go to Activations. And then you click Engine Control Module, you expand it, and then you go all the way down here. Engine Cooling Fan. And obviously depends on how fast you want it to go. The maximum possible speed you can go is 93%, which is fine with me because it just screams. And our fan is very efficient at moving air, so you don't even need to go faster. So all you got to do is press 93% and then you press start. So click start, and you'll hear it running in a bit. And our fan actually moves so much air through the engine bay. I'm pretty sure some of you have felt it before. See, you can hear that. And what's nice about it is that it moves so much air that if you put your hand right here, you can actually feel the air being sucked through. So this actually helps your intercooler to cool down really quick. This is the hot side. It's warm right here. And right here, it's almost ice cold. Pretty neat, huh? Also, backstory to this is my strut cable got torn out by a pothole that I hit, and I'm just using this dead strut to, shut force the up so it doesn't harden all my suspension for no reason. Yep. So there's a tip from me. Use it wisely. Use it at the track. Good luck.